Hi there, Release Fire here. So time to look for gems again, and this time it's floor 6 in Luigi's Mansion 3. So I'm going to take you through how to find all of them. Now previously I've kind of been going in the order as they're presented on the screen, but because this is quite a long level, I'm doing them in the order that I found them, just because it's kind of easier to follow along with. And the first one is just by the courtyard. So the first room by the courtyard, fire the plunger at this wall bit, pull it out of the way, and you'll reveal a chest. When you open up the chest, you'll pick up the first of the gems, and then as you continue around, you'll come to this room with the big casks, and this is where you'll find the second of the gems. So just fire the plunger at the last of the barrels, pull it down, and head on in once you've gotten rid of all of the mice, and then you can head over to the right hand side, and if you head straight forwards, you'll go up a ladder, and that will bring you close enough to be able to pick up the second of the gems. And the third one is here in the room with the elevator, and all you need to do to activate this one is spin this little mechanism here on the wall, which you can see I'm doing here with the blow function of the poltergeist, and then it's a case of throwing out Luigi, who can head on over and pick up the sword. And then I didn't pick up the fourth one until I was in the corridor just before the boss fight. And essentially I just pulled down this banner using the poltergeist, and then you can use the dark light function to be able to show this door here, which you can see slowly coming on the screen. Take out all the orbs, and then you can head on through the door, and this is essentially the king's coffers or the king's treasury. And in here you'll find the fourth of the gems in floor 4. And then after you've taken out the boss fight, if you just kind of use the poltergeist on the knight sitting on the bench, he will throw out a sword. And then finally the last one is right back here in the room just before that kind of open area. And again, use the dark light on this set of armor, and then hoover up the orbs to reveal it. Hit it with the plunger, hoover it up, smash it down, and that will reveal the last of the 6 gems here in floor 6 in Luigi's Mansion 3. Like I said earlier, hopefully the video helps you out. If it does, drop me a like below. You can also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already with the links on the left hand side, and hit that bell button if you want to get notifications for all of my videos as they come out. You can see the rest of my series on Luigi's Mansion 3 with the links on the right hand side. Leave any comments below, and I'll catch you next time.